Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Port Bolster, Ontario, a small lakeside community on the southeast shore of Lake Simcoe. This quiet place is best known for its fishing, especially ice fishing in the winter months when visitors come from all over to enjoy the frozen lake. The community has roots going back to the 1800s, when settlers began farming the land and using the lake for travel and trade. The name Port Bolster comes from the Bolster family, one of the early families who settled in the area. Over time, Port Bolster grew into a spot where cottages and family homes blended with local traditions. The shoreline here offers beautiful views, peaceful walks, and a close connection to nature. Whether you come for the fishing, the views, or just to relax by the water, Port Bolster has a calm charm that stays with you. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Port Bolster, Ontario.
Thanks for watching!